I can solve real-world and mathematical problems leading to two linear equations in two variables. Okay, let's read this. The sales of Gizmo sports drink at the local supermarket are currently 6,520 bottles per month. Since new age refreshers were introduced, sales of Gizmo have been declining by 55 bottles per month. Declining meaning going down. New Age currently sells 2,250 bottles per month, and its sales are increasing by 250 bottles per month. If these rates of change remain the same, in about how many months will the sales for both companies be the same? How many bottles will each company be selling at that time? Okay, so let's see here. We're going to have X and we're going to have Y. X is going to be the number of months that pass, because that's what's changing, okay? Or that's what's driving the number of bottles, right? As months pass, the number of bottles changes. So Y is going to be number of bottles sold. Right? We kind of have a little tip here too, right? We have months and bottles. All right, so we've got Gizmo. So we're thinking about a Y equals mx plus b here. So the number of Gizmo bottles sold, it starts at 6,520, and it's declining by 55 bottles per month. Remember, Y equals mx plus b. B is our beginning amount, and M is our growth rate or decline rate. It could be decline. So my B value, my beginning amount for Gizmos is 6,520, declining by 55. So we're going to have negative 55 for every month that passes, and we have 6,520 that we started with. And then we have New Age. And New Age, let's see, it sells 2,250. That's its beginning amount, and it's increasing by 250. Wow, it's really increasing. 250 for every month that passes, and we started with 2,250. So the question is, after how many months will the sales for both companies be the same, and how many bottles will each company be selling? Well, we want to know when the Y, when the number of bottles sold, are the same. So we're going to set these equal to each other using that equal values method. We're going to take negative 55x plus 6,520. When is that equal to 250x plus 2,250? So I'm going to go ahead and add 55x to both sides. And I end up with 305x. I want x by itself here, so I need to get rid of 2,250 from this side. So if I subtract 2,250 here, I have to do the same thing here. Okay. So you can go ahead and use a calculator there. We have 6,520 minus 2,250. That's 4,270. So 305 times what is 4,270? Well, to figure that out, we're going to divide by 305. So 4,270 divided by 305, and we get 14. So x is 14, and we defined at the beginning that x was number of months. So in 14 months, they will sell the same number of bottles, and then we want to know how many bottles. So at this point, we can take x and find out how many bottles New Age would sell in 14 months if it's growing at this rate. So we'll take 250 times 14, because every month it's going up by 250, and then we're going to take that and add it to the original amount, 2,250. And it's 5,750, right? So I just took 250 times 14 plus 250, and I get 5,750 bottles. And we could have checked it for Gizmo as well. Negative 55 times 14 plus 6,520 would also be 5,750.